Yeah, this is not a joke, right?
Yes.
One of the most famous AI engineers, like complete AI engineer, is Devin, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there are many people. Devin just released a subscription, so you can pay like $500 per month to use Devin, and they say they can. Devin is a complete software engineer, so you can talk to him use using Slack and ask him to do a question to create to execute any tasks and and like create pull requests for this tasks in GitHub or GitLab, so they can integrate with Jira, GitLab, and all this stuff to execute his tasks. Good, and you can talk to him in Slack. Great. And this guy is describing that he tried some tasks with Devin, and he said, "Okay, you got some wins in the beginning, and we like it, you know."
Mm-hmm.
But then he tried like more. What the number here? Out of 20 tasks, it was 14 failures,
Mm-hmm.
three inconclusive and three success. Like tasks for a software engineer, just the tasks. And he like lists all the tasks here. The very first task here, migrating data from a Notion to Google Sheets, and mode app deploy, generate synthetic data, all this stuff. Oh, failure, all this actual fail. What can show me, right? Devin, one of the best AIs out there doing this kind of job, right? But we have lots of good AIs
Mm-hmm.
that not replace software engineer, but can boost software engineer. We know Copilot, Cursor, all these guys. Copilot only, like one, it's not the best of this. I use Copilot every day,
Mm-hmm.
and I can say that I'm starting to be much more productive. I would love to. I would love to see my metrics that we have here in the company, some metrics. Uh, After this last version of Copilot, I think it was last month, and and I started to get more proficient on it. So Copilot is helping me a lot to write code, correct code, code being correctly tested, and all this kind of stuff. You know,
Mm-hmm.
what I think is that you as software engineer, you need to be proficient in these tools. It will be like IDE. It will be like language. It will be like stack. You know,
Yes.
you need to be proficient in AI tools, like AI code tools, because then you increase your productivity. All right. So I think this will happen, and this is what the companies are just waiting for when they
Mm-hmm.
buy you more AI tools. And of course, when you think about, okay, if you one engineer can do more work, so AI is shrinking our job, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
Yeah. This Devin example is good. And you told about the Copilot, how Copilot boosted your productivity. I have a strong history with Copilot from last year. Did you have a chance to do some kind of integration with API like DocuSign?
Doku sign up.
Yeah, it's basically automation of sending and collecting signatures. You
Uh-huh.
can use their SaaS, but you can also embed that programmatically into your application.
Mhm.
And contracts documents, it's a very complex domain. So for every problem you think about, probably DocSign has a solution.
Mhm.
So you can, if you go to their GitHub today, there's a lot of examples